name is Liam. I work here at Jerry Hunt Super Center in Lexington. I'm going to show you a few cool features in the new 2021 Escalade we just got. So this Cadillac right here has this huge center console, a front-facing camera right there, navigation right here, and it has this giant sunroof right there, and a big center console with a storage compartment right there, and a USB port and a USB port in there too, and two right here as well. And it has this covered cup holders and storage area. And it has this dynamic shifter. You just shift to reverse right there, shift to drive right there, and just press the button for park. And it's push to start. It has tons of cool features in it. Come check it out for yourself. Come see us at Jerry Hunt Super Center, and don't forget to ask for Liam.